Uni reveal. Whoa. I'm Miles Odell. I'm gonna teach you how to make a soft scrambled egg with sea urchin. It's a really simple dish, but really decadent and elegant. Japanese milk bread, soft, buttery, crunchy. The eggs, custardy consistency kind of matches the uni consistency as well, and then that richness from the sea urchin, the brininess, the saltiness. It all goes together really well. So our friends at Maruhide were generous enough to give us a box of some really good sea urchin for this video. So this is Maruhide Uni from Santa Barbara, California. Uni is the reproductive organ or the gonads from the sea urchin. So spiky, circular looking crustaceans. They live at the bottom of the sea, usually form around coral reef. You basically crack them open and it's shaped like a bowl, and the organs are on the side of the bowl. So you just scrape those off and clean them, and then you're left with this product. Every box of uni I get differs. So at my restaurant, anywhere I'm at, I'm always going to taste the uni before I serve it to someone. So generally we'll take a piece like this. Really sweet. What I don't want to taste is a lot of bitterness and astringency. Doesn't necessarily mean it's bad quality, but it's not the highest grade. So this is definitely grade A, like some of the best uni you can get in the country. Just lots of butter, not too hot, always kind of moving them around so it's even. This bread's so soft. It's like as soon as you touch it, more butter. I like to use a ton of butter because if you just like toast it, it's kind of just gets soggy. Honestly, this deep fried is money. Get the edges a little toasty. We're about to make some soft scrambled eggs. The key to good soft scrambled eggs, start with really good eggs. So you see the bright yolks on these. Generally, anything local pasture raised is going to be a superior product. If you want to take a picture of these good eggs, well, they're happy eggs. When they're old, the water separates from them. You can get a lot better consistency and flavor with better eggs. You don't want to incorporate too much air into them, but just enough that they're all combined. Wish I had the right size strainer for this. This is to just make sure there's like one piece of albumin in each egg that's always like chunky. So this is just making sure they're really, really smooth before they go in the pan. I really need a spatula for this.
Is that the white streak that you're straining out?
Yeah. So there's a lot of great ways to cook eggs. A real soft scramble takes a lot of movement in the pan, low heat, so you constantly have to be looking at it. You're basically forming egg curds in the pan and constantly stirring it, and that creates that really creamy texture. It takes patience. Once you learn this though, it's all about heat control and constantly stirring the eggs and not overcooking them. We want that almost custard consistency here. So for 3 eggs, 2 tablespoons of butter. So you can start at a little higher heat. So we're gonna take it off. See how those curds are formed at the bottom? Now we can put it back on for a little bit. No seasoning right now. I'm gonna salt them at the very end, take it back off. So we're basically just trying to warm the pan up, then take it off. And put back on, couple seconds. Take it back off. So we're pretty much there. With a small amount of eggs like this, you can cook them a lot quicker. Some chefs like to add a little creme fraiche after this. With good quality eggs, I really don't think it's necessary to add anything. I want to taste just the natural creaminess from the eggs and the butter. We'll give it one more flash of heat. And that's pretty much it. If you want to make it extra bougie, you can add some chives in there. Then this is kosher salt. Just salt to taste. There we go. So I'm just going to plate it up. Move over hollandaise sauce. So we have our beautiful soft scrambled eggs. Top that with a couple lobes of uni. Just like to do a little sea salt. Voila. Let me move that one chive. The simplicity of this, the Japanese milk bread, we toasted it with butter so it's nice and crunchy and soft. The custardy consistency from these soft scrambled eggs, and the richness, the brininess, that oceanic flavor from the uni. It all goes together really well. I could eat this for breakfast every day. I should. I deserve it. So good. Oishii. Perfect.